Thought of the day, love. It is so tricky, yet we all chase it. It's an interesting thing. Sometimes the greatest form of love you can show someone is the opportunity to allow them to marinate in their own misery for a minute. It may sound a little harsh, but that marination time is fabulous. It allows the soul time to think, ponder, and decide how badly they want change, how badly they want something different, and how badly they want a different future. No one can make that choice for them, so that moment to sit and soak in bad choices and maybe things that they've done that haven't been up to par, allow that to happen because it's a gift. You making everything okay for them doesn't save them. They must save themselves. Talk to you. Thought of the day, give yourself a chance. It's half of the battle. Giving yourself a chance means, how are you looking at yourself? How do you view yourself? How do you believe in yourself? How do you talk to yourself? Give yourself a chance. Half of the battle is what you believe about yourself. It is about how far you're reaching, what you're reaching for, what you believe you are owed, what you believe you are worth, what you believe you are capable of having. Now, in order to be owed something, you need to earn that. In order to earn that, you need to believe in yourself. In order to believe in yourself, you have to know you can do it. Go get 'em. Talk to you. Hey, thought of the day, how do you know when you're circling with people who value you, who have respect, courtesy, and belief in you? It is the words and how they treat you. Do they uplift you? Do they believe in your talents? Do they think the things you do are amazing? Do they talk to you about the things that are important to you? Do they listen when you speak? If you feel inspired, uplifted, excited, and the ability to go conquer the world when you're with someone, you're with the right person. If you're with someone that makes you feel an inch tall, makes you question your ability, makes you feel down, you may want to consider cleaning house. Life's too short. Talk to you. Thought of the day, taking responsibility. Often people feel like when they take responsibility, they're saying to themselves and those around them that they're wrong, they're dumb, they're out of line, and that they've really screwed up. In actuality, taking responsibility, one of the most empowering things you can do for yourself. When you take responsibility, you're telling your soul, this is where I've erred. This is what I can do better. This is where I made a mistake. This is how I can clean it up. This is how I've hurt someone. This is how I can now go and love that person. Once you take responsibility, you clean it off yourself. You wash your hands and you trash it. It empowers you to be responsible for your future, to start with a clean slate, to be the person you know you are and the person you're striving to be. Try it out. It's empowering. Talk to you. Thought of the day, that what if can get you every time. Remember, the what if, it's just there to pull you down. I know it becomes very scary, but if you can remember that life, God, and the universe has prepared a future and a life best meant for you, if you will keep reaching in faith, with inspiration, with hope, believing it will all work out, guess what? It will always work out, because very seldom does life pull together exactly the way you want it, which is a gift. Life, God, and the universe, they'll get it done for you if you keep reaching and believing. Talk to you. Thought of the day, don't let society tell you what success is. You determine for yourself what success is. Success has to fill your soul. You need to feel peace. You need to feel inspiration. You need to feel like you are fulfilled as a person and that you are soaring in the method you need to soar in. Society kind of has a backwards way of finding success, and it's not all in money. It's not all in status. Success comes from what you feel within, how you're serving others, how you've built yourself into the person you choose to be. Find your own success. Talk to you. Thought of the day, here's a secret for you. Every single person has been given talents, abilities, things that make them unique, things that make them valuable. Those things that were given to you were for a reason. When everybody uses their talents cherishes their ability, loves who they are, shares their talents to their fullest, you are serving your community. You're serving the world, you're serving your family, and in the end, you're serving life, God, in the universe, which then serves you. Use your talents. Be a part of a community that thrives because you are being who you are meant to be. Be proud of who you are. Go figure out your value and go soar. Talk to you. Thought of the day. So you want to start preparing for the life that you say you want. Everything that is successful in life has practice behind it. So those who wait to become successful, to have that type of income that they're looking for, the type of lifestyle, if you wait till that moment to start practicing that lifestyle, many fail. Start today. Manage your money. Take care of how you spend. Take care of how you live. Figure out how you want to do things, what kind of people you're going to circle with, and do it now. Those things that you want in your future, you practice it now, it comes to you, because that which you practice comes quicker. That which you ponder on daily comes faster. Practice what you want. Decide what kind of lifestyle. Begin living it today. Go get it. Talk to you. Thought of the day. I was speaking to a colleague of mine a couple weeks ago. She has a project that she's been wanting to do. She's been doing research, sitting on the seashore, gathering data for some time now. All very important. However, the best education you can give yourself is experience. Get out on that ocean. Feel that wave. Overcome it. Problem solve it. Taste it. Figure out what needs to be done so you can use that wave, that hiccup, as a stepping stone to get you closer to where you want to be. Sitting on a seashore, you can dream about it. Getting on the ocean, you can do it. Get out there. Talk to you. Thought of the day. Here's a great story for you. Years ago, my friend wanted to own a farm. He was living a life he was not proud of, nor was he happy with. I said to him simply, go find the farm you want. It can't be hooked to education, history, money, capital, what you can't do. It must be hooked to passion, inspiration, excitement. He finds this farm. He finds the old gentleman simply wants somebody who will take care of his farm and use the land to serve the world. They negotiated terms because they were on the same page. He now owns this farm that feeds the world, anyone in need, anyone that can't provide for themselves. That's what his land does. Because he believed and had faith and had the willing ability to reach for what he wanted, God, life, and the universe helped him find a way out of passion and inspiration to achieve what he wanted. Go get it. It's yours. Talk to you. Thought of the day. Beliefs, they are the blueprint to your future. Good or bad, your beliefs are the things you've chosen to own. They lead you to where you're going. Your beliefs are what make you who you are today and what will make you who you are tomorrow. Beliefs, whether you want to argue it or not, are what it is that you will become. You want change, you need to decide to change. You want hope, you need to decide to hope. You want a different future, these things must happen. Change, hope, inspiration, motivation, and the ability to look for better. You want better? Go get it. It's yours. Talk to you. Thought of the day. Struggle. It's a gift. It is not a downfall. Struggle pushes your soul to problem solve. To problem solve, yes, the one thing you think you're overcoming. However, struggle gifts you with more opportunity to overcome several things. Those several things are because you need that education for your future. Your soul needs that information so you can live the life you choose. That struggle is not something that's jabbing you in the side. That struggle is your stepping stone to a better life. Talk to you. Thought of the day. I ran into a woman yesterday. She was telling me how she's struggling. She's tired of her life not being what she wants it to be. So I simply asked her, what is it you're planning on? She says, I'm not going to plan on a whole lot, because what if I don't get it? If I don't plan, then I'm never disappointed that I didn't receive. The point of the matter is this: that which you plan on is what you get. You plan to be poor, you plan to be a victim, you plan to be less than, you plan to live a life of struggle, you will live it. You plan to have what you want. You plan to have the career you want. You plan to have the health you want. You plan to have the life you want. You will live it. Decide what you want, plan on it, go get it. Start doing the things that you need to do to be the you want to be. Talk to you.